Welcome to our guide on customizing your Discord experience. Today, we're diving into an exciting trick, setting an invisible username. First off, what do we mean by an invisible username? Essentially, it's a username that appears blank to other users while you're still identifiable on the platform. Let's jump into the step-by-step process. Start by logging into your Discord account and navigate to your account settings. Once you're in the account settings, look for the username section. Here, you can choose a custom username. To achieve invisibility, we will use special characters. Characters like underscores or spaces can help create that effect. It's important to understand which symbols and how many spaces create the best invisible username. Experiment to find the right combination. After you've set your invisible username, it's time to test it out in server chats. You'll see if others can see your username. If something isn't working as expected, don't worry. Common issues include using too many or too few characters. Let's review those troubleshooting steps. If you want to switch back to a normal visible username, simply go back to the account settings and change it as before. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create an invisible username on Discord. Thanks for joining us.